this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice orangish red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. We do get a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera with a Bedliner, tailgate step. We got a rear powered window opener, as well as mud flaps on the rear and front, grip running boards on either side, with keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front real quick, we do get front recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt, and USB and USB-C with 120 volt. And of course you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 45,261 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and field, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and of course you do get your storage underneath as well. Here we do get our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate up front, heated front seats, you got 12 volt here and 120 volt, storage above, below, and on the dash with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our auto stop start, backup camera, hazards, hill and traction, media controls, and looking here we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. See, it's been previously connected. Navigation, such as search, recent, saved, and you can have widgets open on the side here. Fave apps, such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA41051A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.